Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. Guys, after a long time in this video I'm talking about the price prediction of September, and I am also going to show you the latest price update of the XRP Ripple coin. What's the latest update? So let's see. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin. So guys, the currently live and latest price of the XRP in the market is 126 cent. 126 is the right now price of the XRP. And furthermore guys, other side, if you talk about the price changes of the XRP Ripple coin, so now guys, you can see last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is positive guys. Only the previous changes is a negative, and I mean in the previous month sometime the price negative, but now in the September I believe that the changes will become positive and you get a profit guys. So personally guys, that's my personal opinion about XRP Ripple coin, that September month is good for XRP holders. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box guys. Now guys, let me show you the price chart of the XRP for more and better understanding. Now you can see here, if you look the last 3 days price update of the XRP, so the last 3 days update is negative 0.24%. Negative 0.24% changes is a negative, and 1.32 USD dollar is the highest price of the XRP in the last 3 days, and now the latest price is 1.26 USD dollar. So that's mean that in the latest 3 days, the price of XRP falls down. I'm just talking about the last 3 days guys. So guys, you know what, I already told you in my many videos that after falls there is a chance. So now if the price falls down, so that's not mean then you decide to sell. I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell. That is the latest update. Hope you like, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates and news videos.